Hello students, welcome to today's class. Today we discuss the topic electric current. What is electric current? Electric current is the flow of electrons, or electric current is defined as the rate of flow of electric charge. You know, when two bodies of different temperatures are kept in contact with each other, heat flows from a body which is at a higher temperature to the body which is at a lower temperature. In the similar way, when two bodies having different concentration of electrons are kept in contact with each other, or when two bodies of having different concentration of electrons are connected with a connecting wire, the electrons will flow from a body which is having more concentration of electrons to the body which is having less concentration of electrons. Here A and B are two bodies. A is having 1000 electrons and B is having 100 electrons. So A is having 1000 electrons and B is having 100 electrons. If they are connected each other with a connecting wire, the electrons will flow from A to B, because A has more concentration of electrons and B has less concentration of electrons. So here the body A has 1000 electrons. It means that the body A has 1000 electrons more than the number of protons. If A has 8000 protons, then A has 9000 electrons. The number of electrons present in A is 1000 more than the number of protons. So, if a body has negative charge, it means that that body has excess of electrons. Here B has 100 electrons. It means the body B has 100 electrons more than the number of protons. And if they are connected each other, the electrons in this case goes from A to B. And so in this case, the direction of flow of electron is from A to B. And suppose that A has 1000 positive charge and B has 100 negative charge. If A has 1000 positive charge and B has 100 negative charge, in this case, the body B has more number of electrons compared to the number of electrons in the body A. In this case, the electrons goes from B to A. So here A has 1000 positive charge. It means that the body A has 1000 electrons less than the number of protons. If a body has a deficiency, when a body has deficiency of electrons, that time the body has positive charge. In this case, the body B has more concentration of electrons compared to the body A. So, electrons in this case it goes from B to A. And now we see a neutral body and a negatively charged body. A neutral body and a negatively charged body. So the body A is neutral. The body A is neutral. It means that this body has equal number of electrons and protons. Suppose that body A has 8,000 electrons, then the body A has 8,000 protons. So since the body A has equal number of electrons and protons, this body A is neutral. And the body B has 100 negative charge. It means that this body B has 100 electrons more than the number of protons. So in this case, if these two bodies are connected together, the electrons will go from B to A. Always these electrons goes from a body which is having more concentration of electrons to the body which is having less concentration of electrons. So the flow of electrons constitute electric current, and the direction of electric current is taken opposite to the direction of flow of electrons. So today we have discussed about the flow of electrons. So that is the electric current that always goes from the body which is having more concentration of electrons to the body which is having less concentration of electrons. So thank you for attending this class.